So we're going to go ahead and move it over to Mehdi. Mehdi, you got the opportunity to jump into challenge number 3. What have you got for the viewers?
Yeah, so in terms of my top crypto pick, I just mentioned AVAX. I like AVAX. So at the end of the day, you want good projects at good entry price. So I know that this is one thing AVAX has pumped. It's $90. So I'm just going to be patient. I'm going to share my screen, just like show my thought process on how I'm placing the AVAX trade. One second.
Okay.
So
Yeah, because
so,
that's great. Because
so
I was going to say we don't have AVAX in there already, so you haven't put that in yet, right?
yeah. I have put a limit order. So limit
Okay.
order around $81.
Okay.
So if it goes to $81 for whatever reason, I like it. Now there are few reasons. There are few reasons for that. Let me show you. So as I said earlier, you have strong support at 76. So if it goes to 81, if it tries to test that support, I get that exposure. Then you have trend line support around that level. So just waiting for a pullback. And once that pullback happen, I think $81 mark would be something I'll be comfortable in entering, and then I can have my stop order below that. Now, another thing I can do is I can look for a breakout above 95. So that's another level I'm looking at. So if this doesn't go through, if it kind of breaks this short term trend line resistance, I can basically place an order, basically do a breakout trade around $95. If this happens, more likely than not, Fed is dovish. I'm also looking at near. I'm also thinking about entering a trade over here around 1050 mark. Just place an order over here and basically diversify my portfolio between AVAX and near. Again, the fundamentals are great for this project. If it was in 5 days, even if it was like 1 year, 2 year, I would be comfortable holding these two positions, so I have that comfort level with these coins. And also there are not many catalysts going for them, negative catalysts, the only positive catalyst. So if in next couple of days, especially on AVAX side, if there's a news of new blockchain being developed through their subnet, it can easily break through the $100 psychological mark, and then maybe even test 140, 130, who knows. So that's the setup I have, going long on AVAX in here for the week. But there are other coins as well. Like you can see, like Atom. If somebody wants to think about going long on Atom, it's another project I like fundamentally. Ling is also good fundamentally. Luna is also one project I like fundamentally. The only thing I'm a bit scared about for Luna is that if Fed is hawkish, this is a very high beta play, and there will be a pressure on UST, and Luna has a direct relationship with USD. So that's the only reason fundamentally I'm not comfortable with from a short-term perspective. So that's the reason why I've chose AVAX in here, not Luna. But Atom and Link would have been my third and fourth pick, at least from fundamental standpoint.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, we did have a question here from one of the students that posted, or some of the viewers that posted over here and said, if Bitcoin goes on a run and the dominance chart also goes on a run, then the altcoins won't run. Now, I do believe that there are going to be some altcoins, and that's why AVX and Avalanche and certain other cryptos altcoins are actually going to run through that period, because we've seen that over the past, right? We've seen that even though we've seen Bitcoin and Ethereum run in a certain direction, we do see some altcoins either started to dip, waiting, and then when Ethereum, Bitcoin stop dropping, we see sort of like a shift of safe haven in the altcoin itself. So I like that call on Avalanche. I like that call. Now let me just make sure here. You've got a Shiba. Your Shiba was your first challenge. What was the second trade that you took on your second challenge?
So for the second trade and this one, I just want to go long Avalanche in here because of the fundamental backdrop.
Okay, so you're not going to enter in 3 trades. You're entering just the 2. So, challenge 1 and 2, sorry, 2 and 3 are going to be the same one, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, all right, fantastic. Well, you know what? If and you've got a limit entry at the moment right now, which means we're not there yet.
yes, yes.
Okay,
We're not there yet.
all right.
I'm going to be monitoring the market as well. Let's see how it goes. If I kind of see more buying pressure, and if it reaches like 94, 95, I might remove that and might enter a breakout trade for
Okay.
Avalanche.
Okay, good. Well, good. Well, that's the 3 challenges that we've got here for the viewers today. But I'm going to go ahead and extend the conversation a little bit more to both. If we can have both Bill and Mehdi up here, and so we can go ahead and have this conversation.